I'm finishing up with the chicken because the next dish I'm making for y'all is a sweet smoky bacon chicken. And it's going to be wonderful. Now, Bobby, are you cutting up the bacon, son?
Okay.
And Jamie, if you'll mix the dredging concoction, because we're going to dredge this in a light brown sugar with some chili powder.
2/3 cup of brown sugar and 2 tablespoons of chili powder.
Yeah, and it's an interesting combination, isn't it?
It is. I don't think I've had this.
The sweet and the savory. Well, now I'm going to spray our pan.
Pass that pan over here. I'll start stacking them.
Yeah, I'm going to need everybody's help because we want to quickly get this done so we can get it in the oven. All right, so here's the pan. Here's the toothpicks. Okay, son, that's enough. And if you'll come down here and give us a hand.
Okay.
So we can quickly do this. All we want to do is wrap the bacon around the chicken and secure it.
Ooh, these are going to be good, aren't they?
Oh, they're going to be fabulous. How many times, and you can be honest, it won't hurt my feelings. How many times do y'all throw a party and don't invite Mama?
Every night. I'm just kidding.
Never.
But
I know that y'all do, because I hear about them.
You wouldn't want to come to my parties.
No, probably not.
But I had some boys over for a football game last night, and we did a little cooking, but it was nothing like this.
What'd y'all cook?
Just burgers and fries.
Oh, yum. You can't beat that. And you told me the other day that you've been catching a lot of crabs off your dock.
That's right. And, you know, I love the idea of being able to harvest a meal right out of my backyard.
Isn't it fabulous?
You know, I'm really enjoying it. Lots of crabs, lots of shrimp, and we're fishing out there and catching fish.
What kind of fish you catching?
Just little, I guess like whiting and you know what I mean? Kind of just,
Trout
I really don't even know. I've only caught one nice trout. But since he was by himself, I let him go.
One night, Michael decided that he was just going to walk out there and just wet a line, you know, real quick like. On his second cast, he pulled out a flounder as big, or probably bigger, than that sheet pan.
Wow. And
he took that fish down to the Lady and Sons and had the chef prepare it for him.
Oh, so we sold it.
No. No, Michael ate it. Now, you guys, you make sure that you wash your hands real good after handling that raw chicken.
This is going to be so good.
Aren't they going to be delicious? The flavors, like I said, the sweet and that really spicy, savory is going to be wonderful together. And we're going to put these in the oven and we're going to bake them until the bacon is nice and crispy. And of course, the chicken is done. And then we're going to be ready to sports party. Ready to party?
Is that the funniest thing you ever do is throw water in my face?
All right, you ready to put this in the oven?
I think so.
And here's a clean towel, Bobby. And like I said, I'm going to put these in the oven on 350, and we're going to bake them until the bacon is crispy and the chicken's done, which is about 30 minutes. I think my favorite thing today is the sweet bacon nuggets. They are so good, and I really think I'm going to have to fight Bobby Deen for them.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.